Hello everyone, welcome back to Kabbage Financial Solutions. If you play Roblox on your phone, you may sometimes wonder, how much Robux have I actually spent? Many players buy Robux for game passes, avatar items and other upgrades, but they forget to track their spending. In this video, I will show you how to check how much Robux you spend on mobile, step by step. The process is very simple and will only take a few minutes. So let's get started. For this, you need to come to your mobile screen. Whether your phone is an iPhone or an Android, the process will be the same. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Here you will see that in the Roblox app, you do not get an option to view the transaction history. You will see many different options inside the app, but there is no record showing how many Robux you have spent. For this, you need to exit the app and open a browser. After opening the browser, go to the Roblox website. Once the Roblox website opens, you will see two options: Continue in app and Continue in browser. You need to click on Continue in browser. As soon as you click on Continue in browser, the account that you are logged into will appear there. Now, what you need to do is click on this button. As soon as you click on it, you will see the option called My Transactions. You need to click on this option. Once you click on it, you will be able to see the complete history of your incoming Robux, outgoing Robux, and all the Robux you have spent. If you want, you can also change the time period. Instead of 30 days, you can select 77 days or even choose up to 1 year. You will be able to see the full transaction history for up to 1 year, which will show exactly how many Robux you have spent on Roblox. So in this way, you can easily check the Robux that you have spent.